Hi, today we're gonna see if we can wrap the front indicators. They're still the stock orange color. And as you can see, the rear indicators have been changed by the USA version red ones. So we're gonna see if we can clean up the front indicators. But before we can get to that, we first gotta clean the bike. Now that the VFR is clean, we're going to wrap the indicators. We are using this. It's called VViViD air tint. It's a dark smoke, and you know, Uncle Vauxhall is going to apply it. We use this piece of wrap and we're going to cut out a template in the shape of the indicator. So we're gonna apply the cardboard template to the wrap foil and cut out the rough shape. So, I was having a little criticism on my brother. I was saying it's not a super clean masking job, but he says that's not necessary. The point is to make sure that the wrap does not stick. It sticks less to the tape than to the indicator, and that's the point, so that it's easy to reposition. The bike is clean and the wrap is finished. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave it on. I like the look, but the visibility is less. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.